So friends, let's see today's lovely recipe of this marzipan covered cake. So I'm going to show you how to make the marzipan for the covering as well as the cake. I'll show you the cake recipe at the end of the video. So let's get started with how to make the marzipan dough to cover the cake. Now here I have 200 grams of cashew nuts. I've soaked them in about 1 cup of water for 30 minutes, then transferred them to my mixer jar, and using a little bit of water, I've ground it to a very fine paste. So now this is our 200 grams of cashew nut paste, 200 grams of powdered sugar. This is one egg white and half a teaspoon of almond essence. If you don't have almond essence, you can also use vanilla essence. Now we're going to beat the egg a bit, and then we're going to transfer it into the paste. We're also going to add the almond essence to it. And now we're going to transfer this along with the powdered sugar to a heavy bottomed pan. And now you're going to mix all of this really well, and then just on a low flame keep stirring this till it starts to leave the sides of the vessel. Now use a wooden spoon that will help you to mix everything without feeling the heat of the mixture, because the mixture is really hot. Now we're going to do a water test. So just take about a little bit of the mixture in a bowl of water, and if you're able to form a nice firm ball like this, that means your mixture is ready. Transfer it to a nice steel plate, let it cool completely, and then just knead it to a very, very smooth dough like this. So now our marzipan dough is ready. Now I'm going to show you how to cover the cake. So today I'm going to be making a chocolate fruit and nut cake, and I'll show you the recipe also at the end of the video. Then that is my cake. And now I'm just going to dust my surface with a little bit of powdered sugar. That will help me to roll out this marzipan very, very easily. So now remember, the marzipan has to cool completely, and then just very gently roll it like this. It's very easy to work with, friends. So just roll it out very gently, and because we're dusting it with a little bit of powdered sugar, it helps the process. So you can make it as thick or as thin as you like. I think 1 inch thickness should be sufficient. Now many of my viewers have been requesting for this video, and they've been asking me, Akshata, can you use the same marzipan recipe to cover a cake? And here's the recipe. Here's my recipe. So now I'm just lifting it up with the help of the rolling pin, and I'm just going to smoothen the edges and the top, and then just cut off all the excess. Now don't throw away the excess. You can use it to make lovely marzipan decorations. Like my daughter Ira, she made little mistletoes with the leftover marzipan that was there. And I'm just going to trim off all the edges and smoothen it out so it looks nice and presentable. So here it is. I've just transferred it to my serving plate, and now I'm just going to decorate it with these beautiful mistletoes made with the same marzipan by my daughter Ira. All she did is just added some color, shaped the leaves, painted them a little bit, and here is the lovely Christmas cake all ready, decorated and covered with marzipan, which you can make at home. You don't need to bake fondant, you don't need to buy it, and you can see the leaves, they're so pretty, and she's really done a very good job with it. So thank you, Ira. And this is the lovely cake. I'm sure your Christmas table will look beautiful with a lovely marzipan covered cake like this. So now let me take you quickly through the recipe of the cake. Now here I have 125 grams of all-purpose flour, 125 grams of powdered sugar, 50 grams of cocoa powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now these are our dry ingredients, so just mix all of them well and whisk them well till you get a nice dark brown kind of a dry powder without any whites. Now here I have 125 grams of butter. I'm just going to whisk it well for 1 minute. You don't need an electric mixer or whisk. You just need a regular whisk. Just beat it for a minute till it turns a little bit white. Then I'm going to add 3 egg yolks. Mix the egg yolks also in really well. You can use an electric whisk, but even a general, a normal whisk will do. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, Mix it in really well. And now I'm going to add the egg whites. Mix that in well too. And now I'm just going to add in the dry ingredients a little at a time. Now this would be a good time to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. And now mix everything really well together. And now I just want to add 2 tablespoons of milk just to give it a nice smooth consistency. And now our cake batter is ready. Now I'm just going to add half a cup of mixed fruits, whatever I had in my refrigerator, walnuts, almonds, kishmish, cranberry, and then just put it into a square tin like this. If you want to make a round cake, you can go with a round cake and bake this in your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. But don't forget to preheat your oven. And after 20 minutes, your cake is all ready. Let it cool completely, demold it, and then put this lovely marzipan on top of it, decorate it, and just have a lovely Christmas table. And I'm sure all your family, friends are going to ask you for this recipe. Don't forget to share my recipe with them, guys.
Friends, I hope you like today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you'll get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.